Okay, so earlier in the week I was with another one of my ENI classes, and I was just, of course, sitting at my teacher's desk, having a good time, had my laptop out, and I was actually going over the right hand rule with the class. And everything was doing okay, I was going through everything, and just one of the girls said, Mister, draw it for me, please. I was like, what do you mean draw? I'm sitting right here, I can just do it with you. She said, no, Mister, draw it. I said, okay, fine. So I started to draw it, and I heard a little bit of giggling, so I looked up and it was quiet. So I continued drawing again, and I heard some more giggling, and I looked up, and the class was quiet again. I was like, what? And then I continued drawing, and then the whole class just started laughing. I'm like, why are you laughing? What's the issue? What's so funny? So apparently my hand is not very nice. Apparently my hand's funny. There's some bit of hair over here. I've got hairy arms. And they said, this is funny. I said, okay, you know what? If you think you're so good, why don't you show me how you draw the right hand rules? So I made them all draw the right hand rule. So what we're going to do is we're going to check. So this is the first student. Look at that. What do you call this? Your little pinky sticking out there. That is absolutely terrible. We don't use pinkies. And this one didn't even try, so actually, oh, you know what? You didn't try, did you? You got -1. That's not good at all. And this one here, look at that. What do you call that? A hand? What's this? You got broke your finger? That's terrible. You got a broken finger. That's not good at all. And this, what is that? Abomination. That is not even a hand. I'm not even going to say anything about this one. And this, I don't know. It's like a claw. What? You know what? Let's skip that one, shall we? And this, oh, that's nice. Look at that. So you got your thumb, you got your finger, you got this. I give her a little smiley face. That's a nice one. I like it. All right, okay. And look at this. This hand is just broken. All right, so I'm not even going to say that. It's just completely twisted and mangled. And is that supposed to be fingers? No, absolutely horrible. This, now that is lazy. Look at that. That is absolutely lazy. You just put your hand straight down and you lost a finger. Where did your finger go? And see, it's not so easy, is it? What is that supposed to be? Oh my god, no, I'm not even looking at that one. That looks like, that's really nice, and I know that's really nice because I drew it, so that is definitely a good one. So that is another good one. I like it. And this one didn't even try, and this one also gave up, and over here, this one didn't try either, so I started to get angry at this point when I was checking them out. I remember looking at them earlier, and what is that? What's this? You got a manicure going on here, you got a little ring going on. If you cared as much about your physics exam as you did about your nails, you get 100 in your exam. What's this? And that is, I don't know if that's supposed to be a hand over here. I have no idea. Yeah. Okay, so what's this? This looks like a T-junction. I don't even know. Is that fingers or is that a bracelet? Either way, no idea what you're trying to do over there. This is just looks like you're kind of pointing down, I guess. Fine. I'm not so happy with that one. And that was the last one who just wrote left hand. Amazing.